Hi, Chef Mark here from Mark's Easy Kitchen. Today I'm preparing meatloaf. I've been enjoying meatloaf for many years. Well, yes, that meatloaf, but I'm talking about this meatloaf. Now, the meatloaf I'm preparing today is actually the recipe of my girlfriend Linda. I happen to think it's one of the best. It's delicious, it's good comfort food, but most of all, it's easy. I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, let's go over our ingredients. Now, the first thing I have is 1/2 cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of mustard, 1/4 cup of milk, 1 slice of bread, I have 1 whole egg, I have 1/3 cup of brown sugar, I also have 1 pound of lean ground beef, 2 minced garlic cloves, a small onion, 1 cup of grated cheese, and 1 cup of grated carrot. Now I'm going to take my bread and just slice that into cubes. Then I'm going to whisk my egg and add the milk to the egg and whisk those two together. Then I'm going to add my bread to the egg mixture and just let it soak. Now I'm going to add my onion, then I'll add my carrot, I'll also add my cheese, and last of all I'll add my garlic. Now I'll take my lean ground beef and I'll add that to the mixture, and I'll just get in there with my hands and just work all that together, mix it all up really good. Now, if I wanted to add salt and pepper or any spices, this would be the time to do it. So now that I've mixed everything together, I'm going to put it into a casserole dish and just press it down really good. I'll use like a spoon or whatever just to flatten it out really good. Then I'm going to take my brown sugar and add that to my ketchup, and then I'll add my mustard. I'll mix that all together. That's going to be my sauce. I'm going to slather that over top the meatloaf. Now I'm going to put it in the oven at 350 for about 40-45 minutes. So it's in the oven. Now we wait. Okay, so the meatloaf is out of the oven. It was in there for about 45 minutes, and I had it on broil the last 5 minutes, but I kept a close eye on it to make sure it didn't burn. It smells amazing, and I can't wait to try it. So I've got my fork. I'm going to dig in. So I got a small little piece right here. Oh wow, that's good. That's really good. First thing I taste is the beef. And of course I can taste the onion and garlic, but neither one is overpowering. The sauce is tangy, but it doesn't steal the show. Very good. Thank you, Linda. Very good meatloaf. There it is, my friends. Meatloaf made easy. Until we eat again, I'm Chef Mark from Mark's Easy Kitchen. Cheers.
Wow.
Hi, me again. Today when I made meatloaf, I used lean ground beef. But you can use any kind of meat you want, including a plant-based product. If you want to add some color, try adding some parsley, red pepper, green onion, or even spinach. And for the sauce, you could add some Dijon mustard or Worcestershire. I also used a casserole dish, but you can use any kind of cookware you want. Cooking can be difficult, but doesn't have to be. So go ahead, be the cook, be the chef, be the mad scientist in your own kitchen. The people you cook for, let them be your guinea pigs. Just don't poison anyone. So go ahead, have fun, keep on cooking, and bon appetit, my friends. Bye now.